Hi everybody, it's Nancy of Nancy Dilt's Wardrobe Consulting, and I'm back for another round in my closet. This time it's the big switch. My last video was just a mini spring transition to bring some of the more springy feeling clothes into my wardrobe and put away some of the heavy duty winter ones. But this time I'm actually going to make the whole switch and put my winter clothes into my closet in the hallway and bring all my spring and summer clothes into this closet right here in my bedroom. And this is an excellent time when you make the seasonal switch to actually take this time to review your wardrobe so that you are actually really looking at all the clothes that you own in each season and deciding what needs to go. What are you not wearing for whatever reason? It could be that it's ill-fitting, it's worn out, or it's outdated, and it's just languishing in your closet, taking up space, and also taking up energy in terms of thinking about your wardrobe, making it harder to make decisions about the clothes that work well for you. I organize my closet by category. So when I'm doing my review, I do it by category as well. And then I'm moving it into my other closet. So we're going to start with jackets. So with the denim jacket I keep this in my closet all year round because it's perfect for putting over a summer dress or any season. It's a great staple. So this is always in my closet. And then blue blazers are also a really wonderful spring and summer way to dress up. Even though we're going to be at home mostly, every once in a while I will put on a structured jacket for a Zoom meeting, or hopefully we'll be back out and about again so that I can have these to wear. Now we're getting into the colder weather wear, leather jackets, and some of the other blazers. So these I'm actually going to go ahead and store for the winter. So I'm going to lay them over and have them to go into the other closet. So this jacket is something, it's a utility jacket, and this color is something that I typically associate with fall. But this year, cinnamon stick is actually one of the colors of the season for spring and summer 2020. So I'm not sure if I'm going to wear this or not, but I'm going to keep it in my closet just in case. It could be fun to be a little more fashion forward. And then this blazer is one that I do find myself wearing, or jacket that I find myself wearing in the summer because it just feels more spring summer to me. And then the quilted bomber jacket's definitely going away. And then I also feel like even though this has blue in it, it feels just a little too dark for me for the warmer months. So that's going to be stored away as well. The next category is sweaters. It's really important that you care for your sweaters before you store them away for the winter. If there is any deodorant or remnants of perfume or remnants of food on your sweaters, on wool, that actually will attract moths to them. And so if you clean them before you put them away, and I actually wash almost all of my sweaters. It's really rare that I dry clean them. I'm just very careful about doing that. Once you do that, then you can store them away and feel a little bit more confident that they're going to be okay during the winter. I also use moth herbs, which are like little sachets that look like tea bags that help to keep moths away in the closet as well. So this is my pile that I've already put out that I'm going to wash the sweaters before I put them away. And then I've also have colder weather scarves and then the rest of the sweaters that don't need washing, and those I'll store away. So this sweater is one that I actually may purge, but I'm going to hold on to it for just a little bit longer and see if I wear it in the fall. It seems like it should be a go-to duster, but it's kind of a heavy weave and fabric, so it's not really always all that comfortable. So I'm going to give it one more chance, but if I don't wear it this fall, this will definitely go. So now we're ready to bring my spring things into my closet. And as my daughter, the videographer extraordinaire, just said, you have a lot of clothes. So I need to do a little purging of my summer tops. So I'm going to look at this pile and I'm going to really think hard about what I need to let go and make some of those decisions before it actually goes into my closet to bog it down for the summer season. So this is one of my favorite tops. I love the colors. It's so bright and cheerful, but this shirt is just too big for me. The armholes are too big, it's too blousy, and it really doesn't quite work. So as much as I love it, I'm actually going to let this one go. And I think that this one is something that I can consign. It's a designer brand and it's in really good condition. So I'm going to give that a try before I donate it if it doesn't get accepted for consignment. So this is a Kate Spade shirt that I just love so much, and I'm so sad that Kate Spade died. And so this is something that I definitely have to hold on to. This shirt is one that has served me well for a really long time, and it's a great basic color, but it's actually starting to show a little wear, and so I do think it's time for it to go. Having a functional closet makes getting dressed every day so much easier. So really being intentional about choosing the clothes that you actually wear and that actually suit you and feel good makes all the difference in the world. If something isn't working for whatever reason, don't hold on to it, because it just bogs you down both physically in the closet, and then also it just makes you feel unhappy about your wardrobe, and we don't need that. So thanks very much, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.